To sync your Coros watch with Strava, you will need to pass through the Coros application. So let's reach that Coros application, and you will find at the bottom of the screen a shield. Press that shield and go at the very bottom of that page and go into Settings, and then Third-Party Apps. From here, you will have a list of apps compatible with Coros, so select Strava, and then Connect Now. This will bring you to a web page on the Strava website. If you're not already logged in with that browser, you will need to input your email address and password of Strava, and then you will need to simply authorize. This will let the watch send the new moves you do with the watch directly to Strava. And if you need to get some routes or some other things, it will be shared on both sides. So then just say authorize, and that's pretty much it. Coros and Strava are now synced together. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.